finally secured her. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna, and today's video will be a what's in my bag featuring the Coach Tabby. So if you guys want to see what all could fit inside and different ways to wear it, just keep watching. So y'all, when I tell you guys I got this bag for a steal. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I literally have this bag on my wish list for so long, and I finally secured her. I feel like I paid like $140 for it. I'll make sure to like link it at the bottom, but I literally got this bag for like $140, y'all. Like from $400. If you guys aren't familiar with the Tabby, or if you're wondering like if it's still worth it, it is. Yes, it's still worth it. I know the hype has died down, but y'all, this bag is such great quality. The leather is so soft, it's so squishy, and because of the leather and how squishy it is, you could fit so much inside of here. You open the bag, this is how everything looks inside. So the first thing I have in here are my AirPods. You know, you can't go anywhere without AirPods nowadays. The next thing, hand sanitizer. Y'all know COVID is still alive, germs are still real, you gotta have hand sanitizer. And recently also, I've been like carrying like Clorox wipes, like especially like for my car to like wipe my steering wheel down. So I highly recommend those as well, but I don't keep them in my bag, but yeah. Next we have is my key pouch and my car keys. I have my lip gloss, the Fenty in the color Hot Chocolate. And I'm actually running low. I need to get some more. I actually have it on right now, so I try to keep it on me so I could just do like touch-ups, but I'm definitely running low. And then right now I have on the vanilla diorama. Like I got this kit for Christmas that had like all the different samples that I can try. So right now I'm wearing the vanilla diorama one, so I want to try to keep it on me so I could like keep retouching. And this is like my first time actually using it, so I'm not even sure how long it will last, so I want to make sure I have it just in case I do need to retouch. But so far I can still smell it, like it's still like really strong, so I'll keep you guys updated on the Dior perfume and see if it's like worth the money. And then we have my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so my phone does fit in here with the case. I don't have to take my case off or anything. I have my camera lens for my vlog camera, so my vlog camera cannot fit in this bag, but I just carry it with me, and then I just keep like the accessories and things that I need like inside the bag. So I have like the cloth to clean the lens, and I just keep that in like the inside pocket of the bag. And then I have my camera cap lens. And that is everything that could fit inside. So as y'all can see, you could definitely fit like all your essentials inside of her. Like she's perfect. I saw that they have like a pink one out and a lavender, but it's not the pillow Tabby one. It's like a different, it's a Tabby, but I forgot what they call it. It's like more of the hard structured leather. I'll insert a picture right here so y'all can see which one I'm talking about. So I definitely do have my eyes on this bag, so don't be surprised if you guys see another what's in my bag with this bag. But I really love this bag. I definitely think it's worth it in 2023. Like it's definitely worth the hype, like the leather, the qualities. It's just amazing. This bag, I can definitely see this bag lasting like years to come and something to pass along. And the great thing also, since this bag is in such a pretty green color, it's perfect for the springtime and the summertime. You know, winter is almost over. No, winter's over, right? I don't even know. I'm not sure when winter ends, but this bag is perfect for the springtime, and I can see myself wearing it with so many outfits. So don't be surprised when y'all see a spring try on haul featuring this bag, because I can't wait to style her. Like she's amazing. I love how it has like the long strap, and the strap is adjustable, so you can make it shorter or longer depending on the height, or if you like want to wear it in different ways. So now that I told you guys what could fit and my little quick review on it, I'll show you guys like how it looks on me. We'll do some mod shots. So this is how the bag looks like if you're just holding it in your hand. if you want to put on the strap. And you can also take off both straps, so if you wanted to only use the long one and not the short one, you can easily just like unhook it, and now you don't have a strap at all. And I do have the Coach, I think this is the 18, so this is the size 18. So as you can see, like so much could fit in it even though it's small. And I'll show you guys how it looks without the long strap as well. So you literally just snap everything back together, super easy to use. So this is without the long strap. So let's talk about the dimensions. This bag is 7 inches long and 2 inches wide, and the detachable handle, this one has a 4-inch drop, and then the long handle has a 21-inch drop. So this bag is perfect for whether you're tall or short. It's super adjustable, and you can kind of fit it under your arm, but it just depends how much you keep inside of it, like if your arm could be comfortable or if you're just like But I highly recommend the Coach Tabby. If you have your eye on it, get it. This is your sign to just go ahead and get it. If you could find it on sale like I did, even better. I did get it from Bloomingdale's, so if you guys are trying to find it on sale, make sure to check out Bloomingdale's. So we have reached the end of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. We are so close to 500 subscribers, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!